In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall extensions on Cursor AI in just a few simple steps. If you've installed an extension you no longer need, or you just want to clean up your workspace and keep Cursor running smoothly, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact process. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer and wait for the app to fully load. Once you're inside Cursor, look at the top left corner of the window and click on View. This menu gives you access to different panels and settings inside the editor. From the View menu, click on Extensions. This will open the Extensions area where you can see all of the installed extensions currently available in Cursor AI. Take a moment to review the list so you can find the exact extension you want to remove. Once you spot the extension you want to delete, click on it to open its details. After that, look for the uninstall option and click it. Cursor will remove the extension from your setup, and the process should only take a few seconds. If needed, you can repeat the same steps for any other extensions you want to uninstall. This is a great way to keep your editor organized, reduce clutter, and make sure you only keep the tools you actually use. And that's how you uninstall extensions on Cursor AI. If this tutorial helped, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.